Hey folks, welcome back to Bob's Bottom Shelf, where we make affordable cocktails at home using affordable ingredients, or what I like to call the top of the bottom shelf. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy vodka cocktail, the Harvey Wallbanger. Alright, so the Harvey Wallbanger uses 3 basic ingredients. We got vodka, Galliano Liqueur, and orange juice, plus a cherry garnish. So real quick, I'm going to talk about this Galliano Liqueur here. This is a homemade Galliano. It uses cloves, sugar, peppermint, vanilla, anise extract, yellow food coloring, and vodka. The easiest flavor to describe the Galliano, I would say a black licorice flavor, and that would come from the star anise. So let's go ahead and get started with our cocktail here. To start with, we're going to need 1.5 ounces of vodka. I'm using Burnett's vodka today. This is very top of the bottom shelf. It only cost me $8. So 1.5 ounces of vodka here. Next thing we'll need is 3 ounces of orange juice. I did 3.5, that's alright. And last but not least, our Galliano, we're going to need 1/2 ounce. And last, we'll go ahead and move in here. Last, we'll add some ice in here and shake it up for about 15 seconds. Add it into our highball glass. There's some ice in there first. Well, we're going to add a little bit more ice in here just to top it off, and so it looks like a somewhat normal drink. And maybe we'll even add a little bit more orange juice here. And we will go ahead and garnish this with a cherry. Alright folks, here we go with our Harvey Wallbanger. Cheers. So you wouldn't initially think that orange juice would pair with like a black licorice flavor like the Galliano, but it actually does. Black licorice may not be the best way to describe it. It's certainly a more complex liqueur than just black licorice. It's almost like a twist on a screwdriver. So if you like screwdrivers with this, which is just vodka and orange juice, you could add a little bit of this liqueur in there for a bit of a twist. Well folks, that's going to do it for today's episode on the Harvey Wallbanger. So just to recap, there's 1.5 ounces of vodka, 3 ounces of orange juice, and 1/2 ounce of the Galliano liqueur, and a cherry garnish. Well, let me know in the comments if you've ever tried this drink before, or if you happen to try it, and let me know what you think of it. Alright, see you in another episode.